Hi, bro. Yeah, good, good. What do you do?
The pack up plastic.
Ah, what do you do with plastic?
This is the cell.
Ah, you can back deposit?
Yeah,
Okay. How much one bottle?
2000.
2,000 for one bottle?
One bottle. 1 kilo.
1 kilo, 2,000. Still.
Yeah.
And what about other trash?
For the and then truck come.
Ah, for the
and
truck
pick up.
come. Okay.
And this one, but for the family, I have 2 kids. I give share.
Okay.
I
How
think,
much money you make?
For the 2 million.
2 million a month, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Not enough for family.
Yeah, okay,
And
okay.
then-
And you come every day to collect the trash here?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Trash. Trash
Yeah.
everywhere. And it's not too much, yeah?
Yeah.
When the tide comes, it's much more trash,
Yeah.
yeah?
Too
Ooh.
many in the water.
Too many in the water.
Yeah,
Wow.
The plastic.
Wow.
2 kids. Many, daddy, many.
So, point is that there's crazy amount of trash in the world, in the oceans, in the rivers, everywhere, and the only way of how to clean it is to find a way how to collect it. Of course, first before, do not put trash anymore, but that's more of a living quality problem. Get out of the poverty, and then they can, you know, oversee the future, like what's happening tomorrow or after a week. Then they don't put the trash, but now the only way is actually to clean it and find a way of how to process it so it is not getting back to landfill, basically monetizing it. That's the plan. See how it goes. Cheers. Okay, this is crazy. Guys, in 407 making nice ice bath. Perfect. Just put it on the ice part. Viem salytę, aišku, jie nepagailėjo, pasiėmė. Ačiū, plaukų gaminotis. Too much expectations! Just came back from the sport. And yeah, we're going on the mission. See how it goes. Do some drone footage today in the very nice beach. So yep, let's go. Boom! So we are going to mission Old Coconut. Oh, looks like we went into the unknown territory where we could possibly find some Coconuts, sprouted old coconuts. So basically, one of the things I really love and appreciate is waterways. It's dirty, but also at the same time nice. Let's see what's next. Look at this. Found a duck party. Found a duck party, and hope there is no snake.
Yeah.
Hi.
Toss. Good, good, good.
Wow.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow. Okay.
Duck.
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 Murahin na no, harga.
You have machete? How much? How much, man? How much?
Wait. I will ask.
Ask the boss? Okay. 15? Perfect. No problem.
This?
No. This.
This?
Yeah.
Okay. Really?
Yeah, let's go. Yeah.
It's my son.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, you're the good mother, should be. Yeah? Please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go. Old coconut. Finally. So my guess is good or not good?
Oh,
Not good.
not good.
Not good.
Yeah.
Good. So this one was not successful as a coconut because it was rotten inside, but it's okay. We're good. We're good with this, and we will see. Maybe there will be more. We're coming back, and we will open one more to them, and that's a good sport for the family. For free, you know, coconut and everything. That's good. Good. Wow. Look at this beach. Didn't find coconuts, but find this nice beach. Of course, a lot of trash, but very long beach. Long beach like California. Dog somewhere. All is good. You'll enjoy life.
Study in Australia.
Yeah, what do you study?
In my major, management business.
Okay, good job. You need
Yeah.
to. So let's see. Can you just poof for the ants?
Yeah. Okay. I hope this is a good coconut.
Yeah, let's see. It's experiment, you know. It's
Yeah.
like life.
Oh,
Oh, nice.
nice one.
Oh.
Mantap. Huh? I see. I get small than
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
No, it's okay. It's perfect. This is what I like. And this, you know, coconut fat. Here. Coconut oil.
Oh, coconut oil.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Success.
That is.
Can you give me cola? I don't want to.
Okay.
Cold.
One is 1,000. Yes, 1 candy 1,000. Or 17 candies.
You give to the kids, okay?
Oh,
You understand?
I understand.
Yeah?
Okay.
Thank you, man. Have a good one.
Ten buvo tiesiog bandelė, kuri be nieko viduje, dėl to, kad turi mėlynus pabarstukus. Rokas norėjo jie pasidalinti.
Imam tada tokį.
Taigi supranti, kad jo nieko viduje nėra. Tai geriau paimk tokią, kur viduje kas nors būtų. Tada bent jau surprizas bus. Jeigu man imi bandeles, tu man ir leidai išsirinkti, o ne man išrenki pačias neskaniausias.
Pačias neskaniausias bandelės. Hey. Kingfisher. O, grybai visur auga.
Your favorite place? Pasaulyje lego iš Balio. Saulės spalvos.
Look at this plastic. It's incredible. Huge styrofoam. Vadinasi roll waves. All this plastic.
No, what are you talking about? Where do you see the trash?
Yeah?
Oh, it's a long way, yeah.
But to the parking,
To the,
to the villa, to the big villa.
yes, up this way.
Okay, thanks man.
Kažkaip būna daug lietaus, tai manau, va, patvinsta.
Так.
Look at the bugs. They're sleeping. Shh. We are hiking back up from the beach. Look what I found. It's an empty snail shell. Good luck. And I don't know what else it could mean, but I'm grateful. Here's Mr. Rokas. Climbing. Oh look, there's another one. And it's also empty, but I'm not gonna take this one. Look how beautiful. And another one. Wow. Look at this. I wish I could take them all, but I hope other bugs find homes for these. Anyway, that's my vlog. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a beautiful day. Kisses! Wilderness explorers have made it up the stairs. A few more stairs to go. How are you feeling?
Easy.
Ruckus is helping me with my heavy rucksack, and I'm carrying my own home. This is my home. It's a symbol that we don't need an outside home. Of course, we need it to be comfortable, but the home is here. This shell of a human, right? And so we gotta treat this home right. We gotta nourish it, we gotta love it, and we gotta take care of it. So that's the lesson of the day.
Mačiau mažą bitutę. Aha, koks. Per arti buvom per toli, bet pagal dydį antrą skulptūrą Budo. Ar apskritai kaip skulptūra? Rimtai? Geras. O kas pirma, Jesus? Brazilian Jesus. This is always best.